gang, my boys. Wait, picture. Oh, they look good.
Oh, they're so sexy, bro.
Who's the one with the red pants, bro?
They're so hot.
Who's the one who's thinking?
Hook me up, please.
Let's go. It's just me and this guitar playing a song. You can try stealing my heart, it's already gone.
First game. Full bottle of Bacardi.
That's like fucking 3 shots in one.
Bro, you gotta start it properly, man. Yeah, full fucking beer pong game with Bacardi. Oh shit.
Okay, bro, this is not good.
Yeah, you got it. No, you got it. You got it. Or else you lose a cup. You lose a cup.
How the fuck does that make sense?
It's either you get a beer.
And you're going now,
Yeah, you lose a cup, it's gonna be harder for them to get it in.
Yeah, fuck it. Lose it.
God damn it, I have to.
Hold on one sec. I'm just gonna say one thing. Whoever drinks, they don't drive.
Yeah.
They don't leave here. You sleep here. I can drive you guys wherever. Take a cab, but no driving. Whoever like drink. Right? Wait. No! Let's go! I didn't get it!
Tic-tac-tac. Have fun, bro. Fuck you, bro. Nasty. Oh shit, my dad's watching. I'm not drunk.
Oh! Stop, bro! Stop, bro!
Alex, you're wasting alcohol, bro. Stop. Give it to me. Just give it to me. Give it to me.
No!
No, you wanted it.
Yeah! We didn't want that.
You don't need cigarettes.
Wait!
Throw him in the pool! Throw him in the pool! Take his Yeezys off and throw him in the pool!
Go back! My God. The Santos move. You gotta make sure it's like properly.
Ella, go.
Yo, you sick fuck.
Oh shit! This one's big, bro. What the fuck is that, bro? What the fuck, Alex? What? No.
Now you fucking. Now you leave.
Oh my God, there's a weapon. I'm running. I see one skin in this guy's head. I see another one skin in his head. We go. Oh, we're gonna do fireworks as usual. I put the first firework. It's the best one. Fuck it. It's like a $60 firework. Exploded. First one in the air. Perfect. Everywhere. Second one on the floor. What the fuck? Third one in my fucking head.
I almost caused a forest fire. There was a fire. I almost lost my hearing. I see. So it went completely wrong. Doesn't the firework come next to me? I go. They don't explode, right? A pink one. All of a sudden. I started running for my life.
We broke the fireworks yesterday.
Okay, you guys go there, bro. With me holding the box.
Put the box down and come with
I'm
me.
holding it. Okay, I'll come with you. I'm holding the box.
We broke the fireworks yesterday.
Yeah.
We're here for part 2.
Are we recording?
Yeah, oh yeah. We gotta fuck shit up.
Is it a good idea to hold a box full of flammable fireworks in my hand?
Okay, this time we're not fucking tilting.
Where's the fuse?
Oh shit, why is it like that?
The fuse is right there. The fuse is right there, bro.
Oh my god.
It's good, it's good. Just light that bitch. Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. It's good. Let it here. You ready?
God, this is a small ass thing, bro.
That's a small fuse. What the fuck? Next, bro. Next.
Yo, Sean, kiss me up.
Hurry, man.
Oh, no, we need the bricks properly for that, bro.
No, you need the bricks.
That's falling.
Bro, just put it.
Yeah, just put it.
Go.
Alright, go.
Bring the box. Go.
Where's the fuse? Is that the fuse? Yo, after these, I think we should get out.
Oh fuck, what the fuck?
I know you guys.
You ready for this? Wait.
Wait, put it together.
No, yeah.
But like, twist it. Put it together and twist them. Like, yeah, make it like that. And now.
Okay.
Yeah! Yo! Yeah! What? What the fuck is this? Let's go. Wait, no, Mike, stop.
Stop it. Continue. Stop. Coufakis.
Oh my god.
Stop. Wait.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
I'm still going.
Put everything.
No, Coufakis is done.
One left. We have two.
Yesterday we almost burnt the whole park down.
Today, we have competition.
Today we have competition. Look at them. Bunch of. Hey, it's all weak. They're all weak. Look at us, bro.
Weak sauce.
Weak sauce, bro.
We lit up the whole park.
We literally have 50 fucking shots. Look at them. They're one at a time. Fuck, no competition. 3 IL. Fuck them. Fuck. Yesterday we almost lit up the whole park. Here we are today.
Back at it, same
Bro,
park.
La Ronde fireworks. Look at that. One little scapush.
What the?
Get out of
What
here.
is that?
What is that?
What is that?
It's fucking weak.
What is
That's
that?
That's weak. That's
Weak
Coufakis
sauce.
at the gym.
Oh, that's weak, bro. That's me curling 20.
That's it.
Bro, I think
Let's go. It's just me and this guitar playing a song. You can try stealing my heart. It's